Because I don't have any ceiling overhead light in the bedroom, I went on Amazon and I saw this particular one, so I ordered this bulb. And I put like a dummy pendant fixture that I got from IKEA there. And then of course I purchased this chargeable light bulb, and then I'll insert it up there, as you'll see in a little bit. So right now I'm just preparing it so that I could go ahead and charge it up. I'll leave a link in the description area of this video. But yeah, these things come in handy, especially when you don't have any overhead ceiling lights. Alright, now I got it hooked up here, so right now it's charging. And this is the remote that it comes with. And here it is in the light fixture. I don't know why when it's on camera it just blinks like that. But now I have light. If I want to have overlight, it changes different colors. If you like to have different color, a different mood. I've since changed the light fixture, the pendant shade. Actually, I switched out the one that was over my dining room table, and I replaced it with replaced the one on the dining room table with a rattan one from IKEA. As you can see, this is what I was talking about. I took the one from the dining room, brought it in here, and also these are other overhead lightings because I didn't have any back here in my office, so I got those from Amazon as well and put them in the ceiling.